Hey, Vinicius Brasil with the Brazil Group, Keller Williams, and I'm right in front of my latest listing in beautiful Milpitas. Welcome to 1827 Shenandoah Drive, and it's situated here in the east foothills of Milpitas, and you can kind of see right in front of me to my left over here, you'll see the nice view of the foothills, which are really nice and green right now. One of the nice things about this area is it features a nice quiet community, wonderful schools, a few parks in the area, and lots of great access to hikes up in these hills as well. But let's take a look at this house. So this is a 360 tour. If you're not familiar with 360 tours, you can go ahead and navigate your point of view just by using your fingers, or if you're on an iPhone, or you can move it around, or of course on your desktop computer as well. So feel free to navigate to see the point of view that you want to take a look at. I'm gonna just walk around, point out some nice features of this house, and of course keep the camera steady for you to take a look. Now let's take a look right here in the front yard, and I'll just give you a few details about this house. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,737 square foot home situated on a 6,700 square foot lot. And you can kind of see it's got this little small courtyard right here leading up to the front door. And I'm just going to walk over here on either side of the property, kind of give you an idea of what's on either side here. And you can see there is a gate here that leads to your backyard, and we'll take a look at that on the other side as well. And you've got your driveway. And right over here as well, you've got the gas meter here on this side of the property, and then of course a gate leading to your backyard. And we'll take a look at the backyard when we go through the house. Also, for your point of reference, the house is facing south. Immediately to the front of me is the direction of east. Behind the home is north, and just behind me is west. So right now it gets a lot of sunlight here in the front. Let's take a look inside the house now. So coming in, you've got this small central entry area, which leads over here to your kitchen on my left, and then right in front is your living room. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk right over here, and we're getting to like the main hallway area, your formal living space. And over here, one side of the house is going to be your living space. Over here on my right, this is where all the bedrooms are located. So we'll take a look down. So the first thing is we have a step-down living room right over here. So you can kind of get an idea and navigate around. So right in front of me, you'll notice that's where the furnace closet is. We have a coat closet right there at the entry. I'll show you inside of that. Of course, you've got some windows. Throughout the house, there are LED recessed lights, so it's really nice and bright. And we'll take a look over here at this closet. You can see the entry coat closet right here. Kind of get an idea of that space. And right over here is the furnace closet right there, and it also has AC as well. And so it's got a train furnace. Don't know what the age of this is, but we do have inspections, and they'll have all that information in the inspections. And of course, we're gonna step down into the family room, and the family room has a wood-burning fireplace here. It's got a bit of like a vaulted ceiling, a little bit higher here. I don't know if you can see that in the tour if you look above. And then right immediately behind me is a nice spacious dining area. We're going to step up, and of course the kitchen. Kitchen is pretty spacious, fairly open from the standpoint to the dining room, to the family room. You've got oven down below, you've got a gas cooktop, microwave with a hood, and then on this side is your sink, dishwasher, and of course your refrigerator. You've got tile flooring on this portion of the kitchen leading to your dining room, and then right here your utility / laundry area. So we'll take a look at that. So you've got laundry here, you've got a 240 connection as well as a gas line here for your laundry. And then here are your plumbing connections for your washer. And then some space here for, storage, perhaps a little bit of a pantry area. And then this door leads to your garage. And you've got a nice, pretty spacious garage here. You've got water heaters located here. You've got sprinkler timer located here. You've got a bit of a storage loft up above. And then of course this little recess here where you can use some storage there as well. And just kind of get an idea of this 2-car garage. It's completely finished. You've got an attic access there as well. And let's see here. And this is your side door leading to your side entrance right here. And again, we'll take a look at that when we go out the back. Of course, it's got your roll-up automatic door, an automatic door opener, and that door opener doesn't look too old. The door doesn't look too old as well. Let's go down over here. And kind of see here in this room. And we're gonna go out the back. So it's about a 6,700 square foot lot. And you can see the backyard here. It's got a large flagstone patio. And the way the yard is broken up, it's got various fruit trees that are encircled by these kind of retaining wall planters, if you will. We've got a bit of a garden here. You've got citrus here. I believe that's a fig tree. And some of these trees are just starting to blossom right now. I'm not exactly sure what each one of these are, but they all are fruit trees. You've got a little bit of slope leading up here on this side of the property. Maybe get an idea of how that is, and you can kind of tell, right? As you're traveling over here eastward up to the hills, land is sloping upwards. So there's a gentle slope kind of rolling down your property, right? There's the AC unit right over here. Looks like this is a loquat tree. And you can see the fence. Everything is in pretty good condition here. You can see the fence has been painted. You got that gate. We were just on the other side over here. And it looks like dual pane windows all throughout this property. And you can kind of see, so very low maintenance, a lot of fruit trees, a lot of fruit, and pretty interesting orange tree as well. It's like it's getting ready to produce some oranges for you. And of course, this side of the property, you've got, that side where we just exited out of the garage, where you keep your trash and recycle bins. And then of course, leading to your front yard, you've got your electrical panel over here, dryer vent exhaust here, and the back of your chimney over here. All right. So take another look, a nice view of the foothills right in front of me, and really quiet up here. The street itself is very quiet. It's a horseshoe type of street down at the end, so it doesn't go through, and it kind of ends to a park. So that's quite nice. You can just have a nice little walk over there, and it seems to be a pretty large park in that area. And let's go back in and take a look at the rest of the house. We're gonna look at the 4 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. And let's go over here. And going down the hallway, first room here to my left is a good sized bedroom. This is the master bedroom, as you can see. It's got 2 closets. This is a sliding door closet. Right over there, mirror closet doors, and you've got a nice walk-in closet here, which is quite interesting. It's a lot of space here. So, of course, I think this was probably built out. This could have been like a little bit of a nook here, or you could maybe extend the bathroom into here, but then of course your sliding closet was framed there, and here is your bathroom. You got a jetted tub. You've got your vanity just behind me over here, and of course the toilet. And there's your master bathroom and master bedroom suite. And here, this room right here is the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. You can kind of get an idea. Right now it's staged as an office. You've got your closet over here. There's also in the ceiling, you've got an attic access here in this room. And if you need the dimensions of this room, we do have the 2D floor plan you can access on the website 1827shenandoah.com. And also there, you'll find all the photos, find the 3D Matterport tour that you can navigate through virtually, and of course the 2D floor plan as well. Here is your hall linen closet. Kind of get an idea of that. And here is your hall bathroom. So pretty good size. I would say this is like a 40-inch vanity. You've got your toilet, and then you've got a shower over tub combo here with a glass door, tile flooring, and down over here. So this is your other guest bedroom over here. You've got a sliding door closet. And right now it is staged as a bedroom with a twin bed. So you can kind of get an idea of the dimensions here. And lastly, at the very end, you've got the 4th bedroom, which is a really good sized bedroom with a large or good sized sliding door closet there. And you can kind of get the dimensions of this room, almost about the same size as your master. So you've got a really good sized bedroom over here in the front. And there you go. So a pretty central floor plan with a lot of the living spaces facing the backyard. Good dining area, inside laundry, spacious kitchen, and as you can see, really clean, very well maintained. We're going to be open this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. If you've got any questions or would like to schedule a private tour, you can contact me directly. For more information about this property and access the photos and 2D floor plan, visit 1827shenandoah.com. Thanks again for watching.